Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for August 21st, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. I really hope you got out and enjoyed the solar eclipse today. It was a spectacular event across the entire United States. All of the United States had at least a partial eclipse here in Northwest Florida. About 80 to 85% of the sun was covered, but the eclipse is now gone. Some of you had to deal with some clouds. Others had some patches of sunshine. Here's a unique view of the eclipse. This is from the GOES-16 satellite. It is non-operational and experimental, but you can see a black shadow going across the United States. That is the solar eclipse. That's the moon blocking the sunlight as it moves across the United States. An extraordinary view of the solar eclipse. Back home, it's going to be warm and humid with a few thunderstorms tomorrow. We're going to continue that pattern really through much of this week. But first, we're going to turn to the tropics. We have two systems out there, the remnants of Harvey and Invest 92L. So taking a look at the satellite, we have the remnants of Harvey over the northwestern Caribbean Sea, moving towards the Yucatan Peninsula. It has a high chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm yet again during the next several days. Also, Invest 92L near the southwest coast of Florida and near the Bahamas. Very disorganized right now, but it does have a 40% chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm during the next couple of days. And also on this satellite view, you can see the eclipse, the shadow coming from the northwest. So, the tropical weather outlook, we have the remnants of Harvey, a 90% chance that it will become a tropical depression or tropical storm during the next 5 days. It could happen within the week. Also, Invest 92L, it could enter the eastern Gulf of Mexico, but it looks like it'll head right back across the peninsula according to some of the models. We'll take a look at those in just a little bit, but a 40% chance of it forming during the next 5 days. So here are the spaghetti models from Harvey. Again, please note, this does not tell you how strong it will be or even if it will form. It's just telling you the path of where this system could go. Most of the models bring it into the Bay of Campeche in the western Gulf of Mexico, and it could make landfall somewhere in northern Mexico or southern Texas as we head into later this week. Invest 92L has a 40% chance of forming. It could cross over the southern tip of the peninsula, but some of the models then bring it right back out into the Atlantic. Really, we don't know where this system is going to go because it's very disorganized. We don't really have an organized system, so the models can't really latch onto it and give us an accurate idea of what's happening, but nonetheless, we'll continue to watch it. The HRRR model shows the showers and thunderstorms fading this evening, so a 30% chance that you will see a shower tonight. Otherwise, partly cloudy, maybe some patchy fog if you're further inland. Lows in the lower to mid-70s inland, mid-70s to near 80 along the coast. Tomorrow, another day with isolated thunderstorms. It's going to be hot and humid. Highs in the lower half of the 90s with a 30% chance that you will see a shower or thunderstorm. Over the next several days, the rain chance ranges from 30 to 40% through much of this week. We bump it up a little bit to 50% as a cold front tries to approach our area. Some models do bring it through, which means we could see some cooler temperatures mainly for inland areas. Highs will go back down to the mid to upper 80s as we head into early next week. But that really depends on where the front is. If the front doesn't make it all the way through, we're probably going to see temperatures still right around 90. If it does make it through, then we'll see slightly cooler mid to upper 80s. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast, and I hope you have a fantastic day.